Welcome, today I've heard of me HTC Desire 22 Pro and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the Icon Changer app on that device. So first let's open Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Icon Changer. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap here to open the app and click to continue. Now we can select one from these available applications. For example, let's use phone app. We can rename the icon here. Also, we can use here the one from those icons from library, these folders. Also, we can use photo from our device gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app and set it on our icon. For example, let's use, this is the phone, let's use this icon. Click on the right upper corner to OK. Wait a couple of seconds. Now we should just skip the ads here. And just click at the home screen. After that, we can change next icon or just go to the desktop. And by the same way, select here application and tap, just switch it. Now we can see here the new phone icon, and we can just see see the difference between the regular icon and the new one. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.